Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure build pipelines using GitHub Actions for mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will configure build pipelines using GitHub Actions for mobile applications. First, navigate to your GitHub repository where your mobile project is stored. Click on the Actions tab located in the repository menu. If you see a list of suggested workflows, you can choose one or click on Set up a workflow yourself. In the workflow editor, start by defining the workflow name. You can name your workflow file ci.yml for continuous integration. Add the on key to specify the events that trigger this workflow. Use push to trigger the pipeline on code pushes to a specific branch. You can also use pull_request to run the pipeline for pull requests. Next, define the jobs that will run in your workflow using the jobs key. Under the jobs key, create a new job called build. Define the runs on key to specify the environment. For mobile apps, you might choose Ubuntu latest or macOS latest depending on your needs. Under the build job, add the steps key to begin defining the steps for the build process. Start with a step to check out the code from your repository using the actions/checkout at v2 action. Next, add a step to set up your environment. If you are using Node.js, include actions/setupnode at v2 and specify the version you need. For Android projects, you will typically need to install the Android SDK. Use the st command or a similar action to manage the SDK installation. Add a step to install dependencies specific to your project. For example, run npm install or yarn install if you are using JavaScript. For Android projects using Gradle, you might want to execute /gradlu build. To run tests, add another step to execute your testing framework. This could be npm test for JavaScript apps or /gradlu test for Android. Once all steps are defined, save your changes to commit the workflow file. Now, whenever you push code to the specified branch, GitHub Actions will automatically trigger this build pipeline. You can monitor the progress of the build in the Actions tab. To troubleshoot any issues, click on the specific workflow run for detailed logs. Finally, iterate on your workflow by adding additional steps as needed, such as deployment or code quality check. With these steps completed, your mobile build pipeline using GitHub Actions is now fully configured. Let's recap what we have accomplished in this guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.